Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switching 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we continue with our speedy lessons. Look at lesson number 5, Lapa Laka, my family. By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to identify family members in Sepedi and describe their families using simple sentences. Vocabulary: Lapa, 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 Lapa. Lapa means family. Mother: Mma, 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 Mma. Father: Tate, 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 Tate. Son: Morwa, 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 Morwa. Daughter: Moredi, 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 Moredi. Child: Ngwana, 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 Ngwana. Sister: Kgaetšedi, 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 Kgaetšedi. A brother is also Kgaetšedi. Or Morwarre, 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 Morwarre. And father's side: Rakgadi, 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 Rakgadi. Uncle, mother's brother: Malume, 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 Malume. Grandmother: Kuku, 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 Kuku. Grandfather: Rahulu, 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 Rahulu. Let's look at 5 sentences. The mother loves her children. Ma o rata bana ba gagwe. 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 Father goes to work in the morning. Tate o ya mošomong mesong. 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 I have one sister. Ke na le kgaetšedi o tee. 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 The son is playing football. Morwa o bapala kgwele. 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 Our family is happy. Lapa la rena le thabile. 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 Grammar focus. Sepedi uses possessive words to show ownership. Example, lapa laka, my family. Lapa la gago, your family. Lapa la rena, our family. Mma waka, my mother. Tate waka, my father. Sepedi uses possessive words to show ownership. Learner activity. Introduce your family using Sepedi. Example, leina laka ke Neo. Mma waka ke Mpho. Tate waka ke Peter. Ke na le morware o Tee. Introduce your family using Sepedi in the comment section. Word of the day, lerato, which means love. Lerato, lerato. Example, lerato le aga lapa. Love builds a family. Lerato le aga lapa. Lerato le aga lapa. Lerato le aga lapa. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switching 2020.